Build better together is our tagline. Rootstock empowers us to live up to that tagline, empowering our internal team to continue to leverage the software.
Rootstock is the foundation of our ability to scale.
I think it was a catalyst for change, not just from a digital transformation perspective, but from a culture perspective as well. Rootstock is the core platform for our continued growth.
The opportunities are endless in what we can do to take us to the next level.
We have to understand the decisions that we're making on a day-to-day basis, and Rootstock gives us the analytics, the data to be able to report on that and adjust real time, which sets our future projects up for more success. It sets our people up for success.
Visibility and real-time data is the biggest win for us.
Before Rootstock, we had a limited number of projects that we were able to manage. Now with Rootstock, we can manage about 150% of what we used to be able to manage.
That's really what Rootstock and the Salesforce ecosystem delivers, is a platform that allows your business to scale, to grow, and to tailor solutions that fit business needs as the business evolves.
You need a software on which you can rely. I can trust Rootstock when we have to find something, a lost thing. Supposedly, I would go in to my software, Rootstock, and it's there. So there's a guy, it just really surprised him, and he said, you are a magician, like you have magic. I told him, I said, no, it's a system that knows where we have these things.
Partnering with Rootstock has been the right thing for us. We've been able to build a platform for the next generation that enables growth while maintaining sustainability.
Rootstock does have everything we need. The platform allows me to draw data that is not anticipation, it is not guesswork, it is actually what is happening at the time.
Having real-time information about what's going on in the shop, what's going on in sales, we can accurately forecast and predict future sales growth and production planning.
Rootstock has all the capabilities.
Rootstock is helping develop things today that will help us with AI, being able to see what does the supply chain look like. Here's what you need to bring it in to get it here in time.
Okay, Rootstock is the perfect fit. It's all on the Salesforce platform. It's got the financial part that we need. It's got the ERP system that we need.
Over the years, our company has gone from 10 major customers and 20 products to over 200 products and 100 customers. We actually would not have been able to make that transition without having the capabilities that Rootstock has enabled us to have.
We wouldn't be able to manage the business we have today without it. I can't think of a better ERP solution to select than Rootstock for that.